Today I will show you how we are going to use AI-driven precision to fully automate a data-driven and statistical advantage to systematically make a fortune in the financial markets. So if you have capital and you want to invest it wisely to make it grow and to create a new source of income with the help of artificial intelligence and a team of experts at your side, then you should pay really close attention for the next half an hour to understand how the Genius AI Investor Circle can take your wealth to the next level. Many of you already know me, but for those who don't, my name is Raphael. I've been a full-time trader and investor for about 13 years now. And throughout my trading career, I've focused on stock indices, commodities, and forex pairs. Only 5% of investors manage to navigate their capital through the financial markets profitably in the long run. That is a shockingly low success rate if you ask me. And when I started as a coach sharing my strategies and principles, I always had the mission to improve the success rate for my partners. But manual trading without AI and algorithms has taught me that very few people are truly able to succeed in the long run. And it doesn't matter how profitable the strategy may be. In the end, the human nature and the emotions always get in the way. I've made it my life's mission to permanently eliminate this problem of human nature for my partners. By removing human emotions and errors from the equation, automating the entire decision-making process, and letting our computers do all the work, we eliminate the only source of error that keeps us from financial success in the markets. This automation gives us the chance to let our money work for us profitably in the long run. I'm really excited to present this solution to you today. For about the next half an hour, I will explain how we use the advantages of AI and smart algorithms to develop fully automated portfolio strategies for long-term wealth building with our partners in the Genius AI Investor Circle. Soon, I will show you some impressive results of our technology and explain in detail the technical aspects that allow us to be so profitable in the market. It's going to be quite interesting, so watch this video to the end, okay? We have limited capacity in our AI Investor Circle and not everyone will get the chance to become a partner. Our goal with the Genius AI Investor Circle is to revolutionize conventional investing, inspired by the legendary success of Jim Simmons' Renaissance Fund. This fund impressed not just with groundbreaking technology and data-driven strategies, but also with its unique philosophy that collective intelligence is the key to extraordinary success. Simmons and his team demonstrated how powerful scientifically based decisions are and how they can dominate markets in real time. By using artificial intelligence and advanced algorithms, we can analyze market conditions in real time and make optimized trading decisions that respond directly to market movements. What sets us apart from traditional investment methods is the extreme adaptability and speed of our system. Large institutions like BlackRock have revolutionized the financial market by relying on smart machines for decades to make data-driven decisions. And these advanced technological methods enable the analysis of complex market data through AI and algorithms to maintain a strategic market advantage. Our AI-driven technology offers our partners the chance to invest in a way that was previously only available to large institutional investors. This technology detects complex patterns and responds to market changes faster than traditional methods. Now let's compare the profit potential of traditional long-term investment methods real quick, okay? Let's start with stocks. You invest in a company's stock and then hold them for a long time until their value grows, okay? This buy and hold approach typically averages only about 6 to 8% profit per year. Then you can also invest in ETFs. They offer a broader diversification and annual returns are usually only around 5 to 7%. Then you can of course invest in real estate. It's stable investment, yeah, but the returns are generally only about 3 to 5% per year and depend heavily on location and market conditions. Plus you're often faced with ongoing costs, maintenance and management, which limits flexibility. Then you can also invest in commodities like gold and silver. They are good for protecting against inflation, but they don't promise significant returns. Our technology offers significantly greater profitability compared to conventional investment options like stocks, ETFs, real estate, or the commodities. We don't just buy and hold. Instead, we use our algorithms to follow the rhythms of the market to profit from short-term fluctuations in both directions. Our advanced approach allows you to achieve a much higher annual return, which can yield high triple-digit percentage returns annually, depending on the strategy and individual calibration. All this without emotions, fully automated and with a data-driven statistical advantage. Now let's move on to the groundbreaking results we've achieved so far with our technology, okay? So, let's start with the Australian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. First, I will show you the market movement over the last 2 years. This will give you an idea of how our technology perfectly adapts to both rising and falling market phases to generate returns consistently, okay? If we look at the price movement over this period, it's clear to see that there are ups and downs. Each of those candles reflect the price fluctuations of an entire week. Now let's compare this market movement with our equity growth through our technology, okay, during the same period. On the bottom, you can see the number of the trades, and on the right side, you can see the capital. We can see fantastic linear capital growth. Now let's take a detailed look at the trade statistics that have led to this growth, okay? In total, we are talking about 184% profit over 27 months. That's an average of 6.8% profit per month with a maximum drawdown of just 18% during the losing streak. Now, some ETF investors might be shaking their heads right now in disbelief, okay? Nearly 7% profit per month, that's not possible. But yes, it is possible. Our system has made a total of 73 trading decisions fully automated. 47 were profitable and only 26 were not profitable. That's a hit rate of about 64%. Now let's take a look directly at the trading history, okay? The green trades represent wins and the red ones represent losses. No strategy can achieve 100% success rate. That's completely normal. But as you can see, we have significantly more profitable trades than losing ones and have generated a substantial profit of 184%. This demonstrates the effectiveness of our system in navigating through different market conditions and consistently securing gains. All right, next I would like to show you one of our NASDAQ strategies. The NASDAQ is a stock index of the 100 largest US companies. Most of you probably know. Let's start again by checking the market movement over the trading period. We can clearly see that the NASDAQ is on an upward trend, but there are also several weeks in between when it trends downward. Now let's look at our equity growth during this period by using our system. Here we can see a lovely growth of our capital. And now let's take a look at the statistics. We are talking about a total return of 177% over 26 months, which is an average of 6.8% profit per month. Although the market was mostly in an uptrend, we made most of our money from short trades by betting on price declines at the right time. Our biggest drawdown was 15%. The system took a total of 92 trades and 65 of them were winners. That's 70% accuracy. This highlights that our system focuses on quality over quantity, unlike many conventional automated trading systems where profits are eaten up by fees. It's important to us that we build our wealth profitably over the long term with high quality automated trading decisions. In the trade history, you can also clearly see the impressive winning streaks made possible thanks to our data-based and statistical trading approach. It's simply spectacular how precise our technology is. And now let's move on to what I consider a truly explosive result. Our NZD USD strategy, that is the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair. First, let's look at the market movement over this trading period, okay? The market movement shows a very wild fluctuation with long uptrends followed by extended downtrending periods. And when we compare this to our equity growth, it becomes very clear how adaptable and flexible our technology is and how rapidly it responds to volatile market phases. I think no manual trader on this planet can achieve this level of responsiveness and precision. Our technology navigates through every market condition smoothly and adjusts to the current circumstances. This is the result of our decades-long experience in the financial markets combined with the right tools and the crucial data. This combination allows us to achieve such results fully automated without human intervention. Let's now take a look at the statistics. We've generated a 374% profit on New Zealand dollar US dollar in 27 months. That's 13.8% profit per month. Man, you can't get this at any bank. It's incredible what a powerhouse we have created here. And I want to emphasize again, unfortunately, we will share this technology with only a small group of investors because each partner is assigned to a personal portfolio manager who provides intensive support and helps manage their portfolio and achieve their goals. We also must ensure that our technology does not have too much market exposure, okay? Imagine we were buying and selling with millions or even billions of dollars. There must always be someone on the other side willing to engage in that trade with us, okay? Otherwise, we would influence the market too significantly, which would smother our profits or even lead to losses. Every market has these limitations, and that's why we have to approach it cautiously, okay? This is also why we create individual portfolio strategies for each partner and expand our operations across multiple markets and asset classes. So let's take another look at the outstanding trading history, man. A total of 154 trades were made, 122 were winning trades. That's an astonishing hit rate of 79%, guys. Whew, that's crazy. Now you've got a little idea of the potential of our technology. We will go over some more results later on, okay? Next, I would like to calculate with you how much money you could potentially earn with our portfolio management using these 3 strategies, okay? Let's proceed to figure out the potential returns based on your initial investment. Let's say you decide to start with an investment of $10,000, okay? We will then work with you to set up your portfolio strategy to your individual capital and risk tolerance. Let's assume we use these 3 strategies with the same level of risk tolerance. So I would say we're in the medium risk range. Australian dollar, Japanese yen has made an average monthly return of 6.8%. The same goes for Nasdaq with a 6.8%, and the New Zealand dollar US dollar strategy has generated 13.8% average monthly return. This means altogether an average return of 27.4% per month. To simplify, let's just say 25% profit per month, okay? Now, there are 2 different scenarios, okay? Scenario 1 involves consistent volume for linear growth, as you've seen in the results. In this case, you would make about $10,000 every 4 months. Of course, not always exactly after 4 months because the markets are not perfect, but on average, okay? Sometimes you might make only 30% profit in 4 months or 20%, but then you might take 170% profit or 180% profit in the next 4 months. It will vary, okay? We will just go with the average of 100% profit in 4 months based on our results. That means after 4 months, you have turned $10,000 into $20,000. After 8 months, it's $30,000, and after 12 months, it's $40,000. That's the first scenario. In the second scenario, we adjust the volume with the growing capital to generate exponential growth. So we start with $10,000, and after 4 months, your $10,000 investment has turned into $20,000. Then our team updates your portfolio strategy to adjust the trading volume to your new capital, meaning that we double the trading volume. Another 4 months pass and your $20,000 becomes $40,000. Then we adjust your portfolio again to your capital and double the trading volume. Over the next 4 months, we will turn your $40,000 into $80,000. If we continuously adjust the portfolio to the capital growth, exponential growth is possible, which can have an incredible effect and is considered the eighth wonder of the world. In this example, we double the volume each time. Of course, you can also adjust the volume in other cycles to minimize risk with your increasing capital. For example, after a 100% increase in capital, you might only increase the volume by 50% or 25%. This way, you still achieve exponential growth with growing capital while systematically reducing your risk tolerance. This is a decision that we discuss and implement individually with each of our partners. Now let's delve a bit deeper into the functionalities of our AI trading technology to see how we can compete with the most intelligent financial institutions in the world. Imagine stepping into the ring with the heavyweight champions of the financial world. We're talking about the big banks, the hedge funds, and all the players managing trillions of dollars. To compete with the most intelligent financial institutions in the world, we need a sophisticated understanding of their operational tactics and the strategic implementation of similar tools and principles. The top 15 asset management firms, which together manage around 55 trillion in assets, dominate the markets by adhering to the fundamental principle of buy low and sell high. Their control over market dynamics is further enhanced by the use of advanced algorithm and artificial intelligence for data-driven decision making. Okay, so if we want to compete at this level, we must adapt a comparable approach. So how can we stand a chance in this game? Here's a simple game plan. First of all, we need to adapt the buy low and sell high principle, okay? Understanding the cyclical nature of the markets and identifying opportunities to buy assets at a low price and sell at a higher price is crucial. This requires in-depth market analysis and an understanding of economic indicators and the ability to predict market movements. Number two is we need to utilize advanced technology. The use of algorithms and AI in trading is not exclusive to large financial institutions, okay? We as private investors can also leverage these technologies to analyze large data sets, recognize patterns, and make informed trading decisions. Our technology is a prime example of how we can use AI to level the playing field. By deploying a system that adjusts its trading strategies based on real-time market data and historical statistics, we can enhance our decision-making process and increase our chances of success. Number three is we need to make data-driven decisions, okay? Large institutions rely on data and statistical analysis to guide their trading decisions, minimizing the role of emotions and maximizing the efficiency of their trades. Implementing a data-driven approach means using quantitative analysis and back-tested strategies to inform every trading decision. Number four is we need to focus on risk management, okay? Large institutions maintain their market dominance through excellent risk management practices, ensuring they minimize losses and protect their capital even in unplanned trades. Implementing strict management rules such as setting appropriate stop loss orders away from market noise will help us preserve our capital and stay in the game over the long run. Okay, now let's discuss how our technology makes fully automated trading decisions around the clock, okay? Our AI technology is designed to leverage the nuances of the forex, commodities, and indices markets to identify lucrative trading opportunities by analyzing volume-driven intraday movements. It meticulously scans the market for patterns that occur at a specific time during the trading day, using historical and real-time data to predict future movements with high accuracy. So each new trading day begins with the AI recalibrating its strategy based on the latest market conditions. This dynamic adjustment ensures that it remains finely tuned to current trends, volatility, and liquidity levels. The decision-making process for entering a trade is highly precise and includes calculating optimal entry points, stop-loss levels, and take-profit targets. These parameters are not static, they are adjusted in real time to reflect the current state of the market, keeping the system 100% adaptable. And this adaptability is the key to the success of our Genius AI Investors Circle. Our algorithm doesn't rely only on a one-size-fits-all approach, but adjusts the strategy for each trade based on the specific conditions of the moment. This includes adjusting the stop loss and take profit settings to maximize potential profits and minimize the risk as well as choosing the most favorable moments for the entry. The system's ability to adapt to the movement of each new trading day enables it to continuously identify and execute profitable trades, even in constantly changing market environments. And adapting to the ever-changing landscape of the financial markets is crucial to maintaining profitability and minimizing risk. By recognizing the uniqueness of each trading day, so the way the market moves and the distance it travels, our system integrates the use of volume, supplemented by reading the current trends through the positioning of other market participants. And this combination forms the backbone of the adaptability and effectiveness of our system. It unites the fundamental factors with data-based technical factors, okay? And this dual approach reduces the risk of making decisions based on outdated or irrelevant information. Through continuous strategy refinement with the latest data, our technology is a powerful tool capable of navigating market trends, reversals, and consolidation phases with unparalleled precision, as you can see from the results. Now let's take a look at some more results and statistics from our portfolio, okay? Euro US dollar is another really great example of how our system adapts to constantly changing market conditions. If we take a look at the market movements of the euro against the US dollar more closely, it becomes clear that there have been numerous shifts between upward and downward movements over the last 2 years. Let's take a direct look at how our equity has grown during this period in comparison to the market movements of the euro US dollar pair. No matter whether the market is moving upwards, downwards, or sideways, our system has an all-weather strategy that enables profit generation in any market condition. Let's take a closer look at the trade statistics, okay? We've achieved a 306% profit over 27 months, which is an average monthly profit of 11.3% with a maximum drawdown of just 19%. In total, 489 trades were executed. 333 of these were successful, guys. This demonstrates the robustness and efficiency of our trading system, even in the most volatile and unpredictable market scenarios. That's a 68% success rate, guys. We can also take another look at the trade history, where you can see significantly more profits and losses. It's absolutely phenomenal. I'm thrilled, and I'm sure by now you are beginning to understand what we are about to accomplish with this technology. It's spectacular. Finally, let's turn our attention to the gold market, okay, which has delivered an extremely impressive result in my opinion. Let's first take a look at the market movement. Over the last 2 years, gold has steadily grown upward with an overall increase of approximately 40% during that period. 40% is certainly impressive, right? And now let's see what we were able to achieve with our system during this period, okay? Here we can see a beautiful upward trend again. By looking at the statistic, we can see that our system has outperformed the gold market by far and generated over 310% profit during this period. The system took around 224 trades and 143 were successful, giving us a 63% success rate. This demonstrates once again the effectiveness of our system in leveraging market opportunities, even in a trending market like gold. What impressive results, guys. With such a profitable system, we have plenty of opportunities. And that's why we should talk about prop trading now, okay? I mean, trading with external capital from these prop trading firms out there. Prop trading firms give us the chance to manage large amounts of capital without risking our own money. And with our technology, we can fully automate this process as well, creating an incredibly lucrative investment opportunity, which I will now explain in more detail, okay? As a trader and investor, your earning don't depend on how many hours you work, but on how much money you can put on the table, okay? So prop trading allows you to use significant capital without risking your own funds. And some of you might already be familiar with prop trading firms, while this might be a completely new topic for others. So let me quickly explain how it works. There are several prop trading firms that invest in consistently profitable traders and investors. If we are profitable and on a consistent basis, we have the chance to manage up to $1 million capital or more. And most people start with $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 or $400,000 in prop trading capital and work their way up to 1 million. Most prop trading firms pay us like 80 to 90% of the profits we generate for them within 30 days. Of course, they don't just immediately hand out the capital. You usually have to undergo a two-step application process. It all starts with a challenge you purchase to prove to the firm that you can trade profitably. During this challenge, you need to achieve a 10% profit while staying within specific risk limits, a maximum daily drawdown of 5% and a total drawdown of limit of 10%. If you exceed these limits, you fail the challenge and lose the money you've spent on that challenge. However, if you pass the challenge without breaking any risk parameters, you move to the next stage. The next stage is the evaluation, which is essentially the final test before you will receive the capital to earn real money. The evaluation is designed to ensure your profitability isn't just a lucky shot, okay? In the evaluation stage, you only need to achieve a 5% profit with the same risk limits of 5% daily and 10% total. If you pass the evaluation, you are getting funded with prop trading capital to begin earning real money. And yeah, this is the process most prop trading firms follow. Prop trading can be an incredibly opportunity to grow your portfolio and gain access to large amounts of capital without requiring a significant investment. The major advantage of using our trading AI is that it allows you to simultaneously automate your prop trading activities across multiple prop trading firms without adding extra work. Our software handles everything for you automatically. This means you can trade with significantly more capital than someone who is working with just one prop trading firm. By automating your activities, you can diversify across all major firms and potentially trade $4 million or more. Let's break down this incredible opportunity into potential earnings, okay? So you can understand the earning potential we're talking about. Trading with prop trading firms requires adjusting your volume to meet these risk parameters, okay? These parameters, such as a 5% daily drawdown limit and this 10% maximum drawdown, should ideally not be exceeded, okay? As a result, when trading with prop trading capital, we need to adjust our portfolio strategies to keep drawdowns low. This naturally reduces the monthly percentage returns, but considering the large amount of capital being traded, the profits will still be significant, okay? Let's start conservatively with an average monthly return of 3% to see what's possible with our technology combined with prop trading capital, okay? As I said, most firms offer a profit share of around 80%, which means you receive 80% of the profits you generate either monthly or in some cases even weekly, okay? Let's say you manage $100,000 capital, okay? That means 3% of $100,000 would be $3,000 a month. 80% of that for you would be $2,400. So over a whole year, you would make around $36,000, and 80% of that is $28,800 in a year, guys. The average cost to start a $100,000 challenge is about $500. So for a $500 investment, you have the potential to earn $28,800 annually if you average 3% per month, okay? Achieving this 3% monthly is very, very realistic based on the risk parameters of our portfolio strategies for prop trading. Let's say you manage $200,000 capital. The cost to start is around $1,000. Monthly profit would be $6,000. 80% of that is $4,800. And that means over a whole year, you would make $72,000. 80% of that is $57,600. Most firms, they even refund the challenge fees with your first payout, which means your profit share also includes this fee, which is a fantastic bonus. Let's say you manage $400,000 capital. The cost to start is around $2,000. The monthly profit would be around $12,000, which is $9,600 for you. And the yearly profit would be $144,000 and $115,200 is for you. $2,000 challenge fee can give you the potential to earn $115,200 per year. Crazy. Let's say you manage $1 million capital. Monthly profit would be around $30,000, which is $24,000 for you. And on a yearly basis would be $360,000 in 12 months, and 80% of that is $288,000 for you. Crazy. With $2 million, it's of course twice as much. 60,000 per month would be 48,000 for you, and overall for you $576,000 per year. With $4 million, of course, we're talking about $96,000 per month for you, and over the whole year that would be more than $1 million per year, guys. We are talking about an incredible opportunity. The potential of this revolutionary AI technology is unbelievable. And the combination of trading your personal funds and prop trading funds is a fantastic opportunity, not just to earn a living, but also to build substantial wealth over long term without wasting your time, because our technology handles everything automatically for you. It's now time to make a quick decision, as we only have limited capacity to onboard new partners into the Genius AI Investor Circle, okay? So if you're serious about redefining your investment approach and transitioning to an automated, data-driven and statistical strategy, just like the major institutions, then take this opportunity and contact us now before we close the doors, okay? In a personal consultation, we can discuss the next steps and help you become part of the Genius AI Investor Circle today. On behalf of our team, I want to thank you for your time. We look forward to working with you and perhaps even today crafting your personalized portfolio strategy. So yeah, we are excited to hear from you. See you soon.